Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create custom payment templates on Payoneer. I just log into my account and just tap on activity, just tap for payment request and the tab on the top right corner of plus icon, and from here you will just add a name, enter the name of an or email you can just of your client. So just tap on the first one, Philip Whitman. So I will just request for this amount. I will just tap on 100 USDT. You can also change the on the spot this currency. I will just tap on 100 USDT and just tap to next. So after next procedure, you will add a description to your pair for these services or good provided. So here you can just add a service which you have done for it and the payment. So I will just add my description which I work done for it. So hello dear sir, I make brand logos of your company. So after I will just done this description clearly and just tap on this review button which is blue color after you done the description. So just tap on this review button after complete your description. So when was done, just tap on review. So here you will see the pair email and due date, and you can also attach a screenshot of your work and just tap on request payment. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.